First of all, you need crepe paper. Then you need thread. Note that the color of the thread and paper should be the same. Then you need scale, pencil and scissor. Then all you have to do is put the paper horizontally and draw a vertical line on it. And then take a scissor and cut it with the scissor. After cutting paper, you will get such a long strip. Then fold the strip in the middle and cut it. After cutting, you will get two strips. Next step is take one strip and then keep folding the strip until you get a square. Then take one side of that square and start cutting it in a petal shape. Then take a thread and knot it in the middle of the folded strip. Then hold the two corners of one side and keep opening it. Then hold the two corners of one side and keep opening it. Then hold the two corners of one side and keep opening it. Then hold the two corners of one side and keep opening it. Then hold the two corners of one side and keep opening it. Then hold the two corners of one side and keep opening it. Then hold the two corners of one side and keep opening it. Then hold the two corners of one side and keep opening it. Then hold the two corners of one side and keep opening it. Then hold the two corners of one side and keep opening it. Then hold the two corners of one side and keep opening it. Then hold the two corners of one side and keep opening it. Then hold the two corners of one side and keep opening it. Then hold the two corners of one side and keep opening it. Then hold the two corners of one side and keep opening it. Then hold the two corners of one side and keep opening it. Then hold the two corners of one side and keep opening it. Then hold the two corners of one side and keep opening it. Then hold the two corners of Repeat the same process on the other side. And now your crepe paper flower is ready. If you guys like this video, then please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel.